What's up guys, welcome to the first video on this channel, Web Shooter Mark 1. In this video, we will be making the first version of the web shooter, and here you can see some old versions of the web shooter that I made when I was a child. But we won't be working on this right now, we will focus on Mark 1 and keep adding improvements in each video. Those old marks so beaten up now, we will recreate them in a much better way. So, here it is, our main piece for the Mark 1. For this base, we have a couple of cardboard support pieces. If we glue these to each side, it will hold its shape better and the shots will be more stable. We have these little wooden sticks. Now we need to glue this wooden piece we assembled onto the cardboard base. The spring will sit like this. After that, we just attach these two parts to the cardboard. Now we need to glue this piece in place. And that's it, the first part is done. Now we need to glue these parts quickly. Alright, one side is ready. Let's go ahead and stick the other cardboard pieces as well. Both pieces are ready like this. Now let's glue them onto the main cardboard base. I'm adding some extra glue along the sides to make it stronger. I'm gonna stick the other side as well. Adding a bit more glue here too. And that's it. The supports are all set. Now we're going to close up the top of the web shooter.
A few moments later.
Now we are adding glue on both sides and closing the top. And that's it. Our web shooter is almost ready. And this is the trigger mechanism. You can open and close it just like that. Now, to wear it on the wrist, let's attach the Velcro straps. First, we will glue on side here, then stick the other side over here to finish it up. Now, we need to glue the trigger mechanism in place like this. So, let's glue the trigger mechanism. I'm adding a little more glue to make sure it's really secure. Once we're done, we'll leave it to dry for a while so we don't have any problem about it. I drew and cut out the letters of M-A-R-K and the number of 1 on paper to use as stencils. When we spray paint, we need to make sure not to get any on the Velcro straps. I think it's a good idea to wear gloves. Alright, after making the table dirty, I have to clean this up. Now, I'm removing the letter stencils we stuck on top so it looks cleaner and sharper. I didn't paint the bottom of cardboard, but I think it will look way better if everything is pure black. So let's spray this part too. Let's do one more quick cleanup and then move on to the final part. I mean, testing part. Finally, let's open the Velcro strap we closed on top. Now it's time to make the bullet.
A few moments later.
Let's put the Mark 1 on our wrist. As you can see, it looks fine. Now let's load the bullets and try. We could have also fired it with a web. All we need is a small thread compartment at the back. But since I'm rebuilding these web shooters from scratch, I didn't think it was necessary just yet. On screen, you can see the features of Mark 1. In each new episode, we will add something new and improve these features. And here you can see some of my old web shooters actually had more advanced functions. I'd like to rebuild these web shooters and show to you in the future videos. And that's it. In this video, we made the web shooter Mark 1. See you in the web shooter Mark 2. I hope you liked it. If you loved the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.